very small aircraft.
आई थिंक ब्रांड मैंने जो आपको बोला था ना इस टाइप का एयरक्राफ्ट था वो जो नहीं मैं आपको बोला था 20 Wait a second, here it is. All right. Yes.
What is that? I think it's a flyby. What's supposed to look there? Yeah, I see it. It's a plane.
See the plane landing?
Look at the camera. It's not right. It's in the middle.
एयरलिंक तो वो कर रहा है टैक्सी
Yeah, there's a plane landing. It's landed. I think it's landed. No, it has not landed yet.
I don't think it's landing.
Yeah, it's landing. It's landing. I can see it. It's probably a small plane again, actually. Wait, imagine if this is the Logan Air. It just got delayed a lot. No, it's the EasyJet. It's landed. I can see its flaps, bro. I love that. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's Jetson. Well, if you can hear it. No, that could just be the other one. And I do hear some engines, like propeller engines. Yep, it's moving. It's actually moving, yeah. way. Just keep on going.
I can't see anything. Okay.
It's by the fence.
Oh yeah, I can see. But अभी दिखा क्या? खाक land भी हो गया. Easy jet है.
Yeah, I know.
Actually.
Well, if it's an easy jet, it should come here this way.
I can see it literally यहाँ से आप